Today we recommend this PIWIS III with a Lenovo Yoga laptop, so this video will introduce what accessories are included in the set, the features of the PIWIS III, how to connect the device to the laptop, how to configure the Wi-Fi within the software, and a demonstration of the software. Now we can see that this is our PIWIS III, plus we have two USB cables. Now let's connect the device to the laptop first. Next we'll connect it to the car. Here we'll use the module instead. When we connect it to the car we will hear a tick and the light will come on. Next, we connect the USB port to the computer. Wait for the device to communicate with the laptop. The laptop's boot password is 123,456. After our PIWIS III communicates with the computer, the device connection status will not be displayed in the lower left corner, and no VCI connected will be displayed all the time, which is normal. Our PIWIS III doesn't support computer connection to device Wi-Fi, only computer connection to Wi-Fi. We are now showing how to connect to Wi-Fi from the computer. First of all, we click System, then click Network Configuration, and click Setting. In Network Name Place, we choose your own home Wi-Fi and then enter the password. The connection will be successful, and in the bottom left corner of the computer, we can see that the Wi-Fi is connected. Next, we will show you the PIWIS III software. Our whole set of PIWIS III software is a single system dual software. Software versions V39.3 and V41.9. Support engineer software and PET8.3 software. This interface we can also quickly open TeamViewer. VxDOS has 4 PIWIS III that we would recommend to you, and we will show you another one in the next video. If you need more information, please subscribe to us. Product links are in the comments below the video. You need to have certain professional skills before you buy the equipment. We provide you with the basic maintenance of the hardware and software. In the last video, we will show you all the PIWIS III differences. Feel free to leave a message in the comments section.